the South, you know that we're all about frying food, from your fried fish to your French fries. But today we're frying ourselves some green tomatoes. I'm Sebastian Regester, and this is Regester for Dinner, so stay tuned. Before we get started, I wanted to announce RFD's first ever giveaway. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna give away some free shit. But in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is first subscribe to Regester for Dinner's channel and leave a comment on this video. The winner will be contacted through the comment section down below and will receive this $100 Amazon gift card. But you gotta hurry up because this giveaway will end when I post my next video, which will be next Friday. So you only have about a week. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and fry ourselves some green maters. You know, every fried green tomato needs the perfect sauce to go with it. So we're gonna make a remoulade. So to get started, I have 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 2½ tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. To that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. You can also use sweet paprika, and 1 teaspoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Couple dashes of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Crystals. 1 teaspoon of your favorite pickle juice. You can use dill or sweet. I'm using sweet. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of horseradish. Couple cranks of freshly ground black pepper. And 2 garlic cloves that we're going to grate. Now we're just going to give it a good mix. You're going to want to cover this and let it cool in your fridge for about a half hour so that all the flavors blend together. While your remoulade is marinating in the fridge, it's time to get started with your maters. So what I have here is I have 2 pretty large green tomatoes, and you want to make sure that they're firm so that when you fry them, they don't turn to mush in your mouth. So just going to slice them into about 3/8 of an inch thick. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay them out flat on your cutting board, and you're gonna wanna almost dehydrate them with a little bit of salt so it pulls out any excess moisture. And let them sit for about a half hour or so, and then you're gonna pat them dry and then get ready for your dredge. 30 minutes has surpassed, and as you can see, my green tomatoes have released a lot of their excess moisture. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and pat them dry. And you want to do this because it's going to help keep your green tomatoes nice and firm and crisp when you start to deep fry them. So what I have first is I have 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and I'm going to crack a large egg, and I'm going to separate the yolk from the egg white. And just try to get as much of the egg white as possible out without breaking the yolk. And to that, another couple dashes of your favorite hot sauce. And you're just going to keep whisking this until the egg whites have broken apart and mixed evenly with the buttermilk. All right, set that to the side. Next, I have about, I would say, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of each of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and again, smoked paprika. And again, you're just gonna wanna whisk this together. All right. And then all I have here are about 2 cups of just panko breadcrumbs. And you can season this if you'd like with a little bit of Italian season. I'm just gonna leave them plain. A lot of these green tomato recipes call for cornmeal. I'm actually gonna leave that out. First step is you're gonna take your green tomatoes, place them into your flour. Make sure that they're nice and well coated. Shake off any excess flour. Then transfer over to your buttermilk. Again, make sure that it's well coated. Shake off any excess buttermilk. And then lastly, over to your panko breadcrumbs. Press down, make sure not leave any spots. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I actually have a wire rack on the counter that I'm gonna go ahead and place the battered green tomatoes on. Just do the same for the remaining green tomatoes. Meanwhile, while your green tomatoes are resting, I have about 1 inch or so of Earl canola oil, to be exact, set to 350 degrees, and now it's time to start frying. You're going to want to place about 3 tomatoes, depending on their size, per batch, and that's so that you don't bring the temperature of the oil down too quickly. And let them cook for about 3.5 minutes, or until golden brown and delicious. All right, as you can see, 3 minutes have passed and these are perfect. So I'm gonna shake off a little bit of the excess oil, transfer them over to a plate that I've lined with some paper towels just for draining. And I'm gonna finish them off with just a little sprinkle of some kosher salt. Man, if your mouth isn't watering right now, I don't know what's wrong with you. And as always, we gotta take a bite. Oh, you can just hear that crunch. Oh, really hot, but really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, my name is Sebastian Regester, and this is Regester for Dinner. If you enjoyed today's video and can't wait for us to cook something else up, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe. But as always, stay hungry, my friends.